This is to express my views against supervised machine learning for artificial intelligences. Many a time the mistake we do is we let machines learn under supervision, under human supervision. The problem is the machines develop the same kind of limitations that human beings have. See, you heard of artificial intelligence beating the world chess champion Karpov in a chess competition. If the machine is to beat Karpov, it has to be one step ahead of Karpov in thinking, which means that Karpov himself cannot train the machine. Forget any other chess player in the world. The machine has to learn by itself so that it goes to a level well beyond human learning. The big mistake that many of us make is that we try to teach artificial intelligences through supervised learning, leading to or transferring all the limitations that we have to the machine, making it effectively just as capable as a human being, not beyond the capability of a human being. Imagine a school teacher in a local school trying to teach astrophysics and space science to Stephen Hawking. Stephen Hawking has reached that level because he gathered his knowledge, he did his interpretations and analysis by himself, untutored, unsupervised. Now, if we want to create an artificial intelligence which can think beyond Stephen Hawking about space, what we should do is we should let it learn in an unsupervised manner. Even if Stephen Hawking trains the system, it will have all the limitations of Stephen Hawking. So I would like to underscore the fact that if you want the artificial intelligence to excel human beings in performance in any area, we should let it learn by itself. We should let it learn in an unsupervised manner, because machines do not have any constraints in terms of data it can gather, in terms of data it can analyze. So let them gather data infinitely, let them analyze infinitely, and reach levels which are well beyond human reach and human understanding. So I am an advocate for unsupervised machine learning for artificial intelligence. Thank you very much.